Happy Thursday, you too. I wanted to get on here and break down to all of you guys that have been reaching out regarding our final expense inbound leads. And for many of you guys that I've talked to, or you've seen my marketing, we give a 40% conversion ratio guarantee. And the way it works, it's simple. If you purchase 100 leads and you don't convert 40% of those into applications, and you're working on our CRM, so we're able to see you receive the call. If the call gets disconnected, you call them back. We guarantee a 40%. We don't do refunds. We just continue to send you free inbounds until you make that 40% guarantee. And for some of you guys, you're shocked because you don't understand why a marketing company like ours would make such a guarantee. Well, let me explain to you why. Before we sell a lead, myself, I'm an agent, 20 years selling final expense insurance at a high level. And I still get on the phones to this day. So we understand what it takes to sell final expense over the telephone. And we can't tell you what to do, but we can definitely show you. And that's what we've done over the last few years. So this is not a gimmick or something we've come out of the woodwork with just as a gimmick. Absolutely not. But for many years now, over 5 years, easily, we started off with a 20% guarantee working live transfers. And we've done that for years. And not only with my agents, but you know what? We have some solid non-disclosure agreements in place, but we do and have helped several large agencies years ago and to this day with our training and this 20% guarantee, not just with one person, but hundreds, if not thousands by now. And I will show you what I mean by that in here in just a few minutes. But at that point in time, we would give a 20% guarantee working live transfers. If the agents followed our training, we stood behind this 20% guarantee. And every single agency and company that we've rolled this out to, again, thousands of agents to, we honored this guarantee. And I could tell all of you guys with 100% facts and certainty that we never came out of pocket more than $5,000 for this guarantee. Because agents that wanted to win and understood a guarantee like this, where your lead vendor is right there with you, an agent put more effort into following the system. That was 20% working live transfers. So why the increase from 20 to 40%? The reason is the type of lead we have available now. With our ability to give you a free CRM to you or to a group of agents that you run or operate, we're able to send you inbounds of customer-initiated final expense. Are they perfect? No. But I guarantee you, these are people that are surfing the internet right this minute looking for a final expense quote, where they go to our landing page, read everything in the landing page, and then take a call to action. And when they make that phone call, it's you and me on the other end. The quality of that lead is through the roof. Our training hasn't changed. Our lead quality is getting better. Think about this. 40%. But you got to follow the training. You can't re-engineer it, adjust it, add what you want, Because if that was the case, we'd just be sending you leads like any other marketing company. And in fact, if you take a closer look, you'll notice that most marketing companies that do sell leads, they give you no guarantee other than what you guys agreed upon, buffers, price, and whatever ads that were approved. We do give you a guarantee, but you got to follow what we do and what's worked for us. 40% for years. And what's crazy is that the organizations that I've helped, we're talking about major groups that rolled out our training when we were doing callback leads, when we were doing live transfers. Now with inbounds, the quality of the lead is so much better, and people are eager to talk to you and me right now from anywhere, virtually. But let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. Check this out. Here, right here, again, is our creative. Check it out. Can your family afford funeral expenses? Have you thought about what would happen when you go to heaven? Gets people thinking about final expenses, and there's a call to action. We provide referral sources that gives information and access to a helpline to match consumers with, get a quote today, and they call. Your customer nowadays is online. In fact, we run on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We do Google ads, but YouTube has been the winner of the day. It's amazing to me how many people are on YouTube watching, finding information. How much does a final expense insurance cost? And then it's up to you. And here's an example.
Final expense inbounds. They're game changers, guys. I've been on telephones for years. I have developed, generated all types of leads over the years. But when you have someone calling you, whether on a TV commercial, Facebook, your website, your social media, those leads will always close higher. So, for the last 90 days, I switched over from live transfers to 100% inbound, and my numbers exploded. And let me share with you why my numbers exploded. Because I was talking to more people that wanted to talk to me. And listen up.
Guy Ferrera?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was just wanting to check in, see what pre-qualified.
That's one opportunity. Here's another one.
Laurel in the Final Expense Department. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. This is Laurel in the Final Expense Department. How can I help you?
I was looking at.
Here's a third opportunity.
From the Final Expense Department. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Yes, hi, my name is Vivian Lawton.
How are you?
Okay.
You get the drift, guys. These people are calling in real time. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're just going to burn through leads. You're just going to be a rate junkie, and you're not going to close if you don't know what you're doing. If you do know what you're doing, this is a great lead source. 15-second buffer, $45. $55 for a 60-second buffer. And if you need more time, 120 seconds, $65. But regardless what buffer time or price point you pick, we stand behind our guarantee if you follow our training. And I'll give you a couple examples of this. Here's a lead service agreement of an outfit that we were working with in the past. And in their lead orders, they would add this condition in there. Notice, by signing this agreement, the agent, Johnny Carpenter, understands that we only uphold our 20% closing rate if you go through our virtual final expense program and implement the information that is taught in the program. In order to receive our 20% closing rate guarantee, you must not only pass our training and exam, however, you must implement all of the information that was taught in the training, including sales strategy, sales script, and closing strategy. If these parameters are not met with Johnny Carpenter, we are not liable to uphold our 20% closing ratio. If an agent does not close 20% of our live transfers after implementing the following sales strategy, sales scripts, closing strategy, and everything taught in the training, we will keep sending them leads until they close 20% of them. Ladies and gentlemen, we did this for years. We would test people. We would make sure they understood how to sell and how to close. And once they got 100% passing score, we would go ahead and help them out. Agencies from all walks of life, as you can see, buying transfers, learning how to sell, because back then they were looking for the 20% guarantee. Today, because of the lead quality is through the roof and the availability of it is through the roof, 40% is an incredible number because these people are searching you out. Yesterday, we delivered, and I'll show you guys this. We delivered 823 inbounds. A percentage of those weren't picked up because we can use more people to pick up these phone calls. This is volume that we're building on a daily basis, and we're going to continue to keep growing this out, which takes me to this. If you run a small agency, you got maybe yourself, you got 10 states that we're running this traffic through, we will give you financing. If you're documented, we know who you are, we can make some phone calls, we'll finance you leads, and Monday through Friday, we'll let you participate in our inbound system, we'll provide you a CRM, and come Friday, we tally everything up. You have a recording of every single call that was sent to you. You'll be able to cross-reference that with what you agreed to pay, and then the bill is due every week. Not many companies do that. We do it on top of this guarantee because we believe that if we can help you write business, we're going to have a partnership for a very long time. So I hope this helped all of you guys learn more about this guarantee. I'm going to post a little bit more about our training so you can get an idea of what that script sounds like, what our training consists of in the content section. Please look at it, analyze it. If you can duplicate it and want to take advantage of this 40%, call me. If you're just looking for leads, you got your setup, your CRM, you just want volume, call me. We can definitely work something out with you. Again, every day we're building our volume and our customers are asking for more and more and more. Why? Because they're closing deals. And the ones that are struggling to close deals, chances are they refuse to do our training or they felt strong enough to run with whatever they're doing. And that's okay with me. So I hope you guys enjoy your evening. Give me a call and see you guys at the top. Peace.